For the Broc string exercise, so you're going to have that string at nose level attached to something, you know, away from you, door, cabinetry, whatever, making sure it's at nose level. You're gonna hold basically that string right at the tip of your nose, and you're gonna have that bead. You wanna be basically about, you're gonna have one at 20 feet, 15 feet, and 10 feet of being away from the bead. So basically you're going to step back a certain distance, and that bead is going to be that distance out. Then you're gonna be looking down through the center of that bead. As you're staring just down the center of that bead, concentrating, you might notice the strings are a little different color, or that X is happening before the bead or after the bead. So you're going to stay looking down the center of that bead, but you're gonna start giving yourself some peripheral vision stimulation in different quadrants, and stay there for a few seconds in each quadrant, because as you're stimulating, what you want to look for is, does that cross start to happen right at the center of the bead? Do the strings start to get equal thickness? So that's the whole goal with using that peripheral stimulation, is to get that string to do that. So you're gonna do this basically continuously for about 15 seconds before you kind of rest, take a break, and come back to it. When you're doing neuro exercises, make sure that if you start to feel fatigued or eyes heavy, headachy, you stop and rest, and always make sure you have food and water in your system before you start these. Your brain will need that because it's gonna be working hard.